so unique. That's what you are. Lingerie reflecting off the mirror on the bar. Category X. I'm one of one. I'm the I'm number one. I'm the only one. Don't even waste your time trying to compete.
This song should have played till, because which one is this now? I am singing, I am worshiping. We are stopping for what? Things that I don't use. I bought these. Yo, hi guys. Hi. Welcome back to my channel. For those who don't know me, my name is Ogi, but you can call me City Mom. Because I am a mother of 3 handsome boys. Guys, I'm tired of dancing. I just posted my vlog now, my episode 2, and I decided to start my episode 3 because, and then I was like, let's start with praise and worship. Let's start with praise and worship. You worship God in your ups, you worship God in your downs, you worship God when you're getting married, you worship God when you're getting divorced, you worship God when you can't have kids, you don't understand why God is not blessing you with kids. You worship God in any situation and circumstance and everything. So this is actually not gonna help. I need water. I'm coming. So y'all, guys, I know I had said I'll see you guys when I'm posting my last vlog, but it's the 23rd, 24th, 25th, 26th, 27th, 28th, 29th, 30th. That one I lied. I lied, guys. I lied. Maybe we'll do another episode. Yeah, episode 3, and then episode 4 will be my last. Yeah, then we're done with this apartment. I'm sure you guys are over it. I'm enjoying it for the last time. You know, I'm enjoying it for the last time, guys. I'm not wearing shoes, and I am one person. Yeah, I don't wear shoes for a minute, but I don't know, I'm just not the person who wants my. So let's start this vlog. Don't know what we're gonna be doing because I don't want to start packing my bedroom because I use it a lot. Even here, actually we can continue because I haven't moved, but I'm gonna use my washing machine and my microwave because I was gonna say we can somewhat take out those things. Guys, I'll see. I've opened the vlog. I've welcomed you guys. Welcome to my moving vlog episode 3. Yeah, I'm tired. I want to continue praising and worshiping with the song without you guys. But yeah, I'm tired. I can't even speak. I'm so grateful to God. You know, the saying that says a grateful heart is a magnet for beautiful things. So I am one person who never utters words out of my mouth that will show God that I'm unappreciative of what He has done for me in my life. So no matter how another person looks at my life, I look at my life as a testimony of all the things that have happened in my life. If it was for the devil, I probably would be on the streets or yeah, nje ngiphuphile ngiyinto engayazi nami ukuthi nje ichaza kanjani if it was for the enemy. But I've always said that God loves me, and I said it last year when I was doing my 2025 recap. I said people praise and love God because of material things. The minute they don't get those things, then they don't have much to say about God. I have no material things to show off when it comes to showing off on material things. I don't have those things, you know. So for me, because I don't consider these things affording apartments and having cars or a car material. Like, there are people who are filthy rich, guys, but for me, I just don't. I know Uti, I don't want to suffer because that's not why I'm here, and I would definitely question God if they would try and but also because I know God has been faithful, God has been there for me. He's seen me through my ups and downs, my everything. So I have no complaints but to say, Lord, I'm happy and I'm thankful even on this one. You know, I'm not fully happy because I love this apartment, and obviously had I been rich, a list going up wouldn't have bothered me or affected me. But I was like, no, realistically speaking, I don't think I can still be here. But regardless, I'm happy. I'm happy. That is why uNkulunkulu athi mbonge nsuku zonke, and don't stress and worry about the future. Let that be His job. When I do what you can today, include Him in it and say, Lord, I'm taking a punch and it's okay. hopefully when you're moving me out of this, it's because you're taking me to a mansion, you know. So yeah, I'm counting on that one. Guti, you better be taking me to a mansion one day when I finally sign something. It mustn't be a lease again. I'm over signing leases. So, but anyway, I'm not about to preach at the beginning because it's just gonna make this intro too long. And you guys said you want 30 minutes. So yeah, it's a bittersweet moment though. Also, another thing that's making it a bittersweet is the fact that even Ulubanzi is not here. The one person who made us look for a bigger place is not even here. He's at home galavanting with Ukoko, happy. Like life. Life is just something else, but Sana, we keep it moving. We keep it moving. We keep it moving. But yeah, guys, let me. Sazela phela iculo lam. Angisoze ngaphela amandla. Angisoze ngaphela. Ngisebenzela irent. Yonke imali yerentini usabothi awukwazi kwenza lutho nje irent ha
simadla pastor aso somdala iquadring sidawuso umdala siphinje kathi hayi ikho lapho lokuze lapho ohlala khona
ayikho imali yakho
ngiyabona ukuthi umuntu mawuthi indawo ezibiza ukuthi hawu nemakade cha
ayikho sihlala endaweni ezibizayo for i-safety. Mina ngihlezi ngisho ngithi guys angikwazi ukuhlala endaweni engekho safe, but yabona nje la ngize ngabonisa la umuntu usebenzela irent la usebenzela irent ngeke phela egoli ukushuthi uyofa wena unganalutho ufe nje awunalutho ngoba phela wena kufanele ulobukhipha imali
uthi ngonyaka mbeni ufuna amateki ngo-2000 something nama laptop ibheke wena
nale mali oyikhiphayo yerent engaka akusiye yakho le ndawo ukhokhela omunye umuntu. Hayi mina ngiyabonga abandla.
uyabona ukuthi uyabona ukuthi uyabhadala ne senyusa nerent
uyanyusa futhi irent. Hayi yabona leyo ukunyusa irent ingichithe kakhulu angifuni uqamanga ingichitha ngiyeza ukuthi hayi yabona ke bekusamnandi ngisayithanda indawo kodwa hayi sengiyabonga ake ngihambe yabona nje njengoba ngiyoyidla bamuvile abantu la
wathi indawo iyabiza le nena pool bakhala ngopool bathi iyabiza nafoko abomvile into abaningi
phela mina ngibaboni ngihlezi ngihlalele endlini kuhamba baphi laba basezindlini noma kuma apartments bonke abantu kusho ukuthi nami ngisizile ngayihambela
bonke hamba nemani yakho
awusasho ungixoxele isikhokho ukuthi
bakhala bathi iyabiza nena pool
nabakhala ngephuli. Mina iy'ngane zami ezakhala ngephuli bathi nje kodwa ma waze wasiletha endaweni engana-swimming pool. And phela la bengihlala khona before i-estate beyine-restaurant yakhona so bebethi uma beqeda ukubhukuda bahambe bayohlala ephulini e-restaurant ba-oda ukudla laphayana bathi ma sicela uzokhokha-ke sesiyadla. So nje they didn't understand because ingane zami eziwu-2 zihlala emakhaya kuma they didn't understand. Lo munye kwayesamncane lo munye khona lo munye omdala una-11 years wathi nje yazi angiyithandi le ndawo le esikuyona manje. I'm like not even my kids like this place but i-rent ingale hayi-ke iyanyuka-ke futhi manje
thina konje asayisebenzeli thina
ngilwa nalaba be-electricity ke manje banginikeze ibill e-over 3,000 for electricity khona lana ngithi ngoDecember lo bengibasendela ama-proof of payment ngithi guys how did we get to 3,000 when I was paying imali engaka every month. Ngisalwa nabo kuyimanje ngiyeza ngiyabatshela ngiyazi mina I need to settle this because ngiyaphuma lana and I need to settle this money but I don't understand ukuthi how did I move from ukubhadala imali engaka to 3 point something. I am fighting them.
So ngoba ifuna ukuba ngobe hamba
bazoyifuna kumina phela
noma ungaseke wahlala
I have to pay it, but mina into engithi ngicela bangisendele yona ukuthi they must break down ukuthi every month ngiyazi ukuthi bengibhadala u6 or 700 rand. Okay, I was not owing you guys. Here are the proof of payments. Now explain, how did I move from this amount to 3 point something? Impendulo ngiyitholi bathi that's the money you are owing for electricity. Hayibo. Hayi mina le ndawo ngize ngasho ngathi ngeke phela guys. Hayibo. I-rent ngikhala ngokuthi inyukile manje sengine bill manje ka 3 point something nge-electricity engingaye understand ukuthi ngifika kanjani lobe ngilwa nalabantu futhi ngize ngasho ngathi yazini ngikhona ngizophuma ekhulumeni angiseklishe le bill ngiphume nje ngivele ngiyahamba yeah angivele nje ngiyiseklishe le bill angiyifuni ngabe le ndawo hayi angiyifuni ngiyabonga ngiyithandile ngifuna uqamba manga sikhokho bengiyithandile le ndawo but sengi right
uphuma igedi le obalapha kusalela asumthe ngakubambezele
ungangibambezeli ngoba ngizomene ngithutha sharp ne yeah guys, this thing is working. I hope ingawi ke guys, and also I hope the sound yeah, do you remember guys the last one? Yeah, sharp. The sound when I'm driving ne, the sound when I'm driving air last niyayikhumbula ngithi ukuthi it used to make the funny sound bona, it used to make a funny sound, so I'm hoping it doesn't make a funny sound. I can only hear it when I'm editing ukuthi when I'm driving it doesn't make a funny sound, but it what's that? Oh, it hit. Guys, let me go because yeah, I'm hoping it's one of those things that I got from Takealot. Guys, remember I told you I bought this thing from Takealot. My son was packing here and guys, let's go. I've been yapping for too long. Kulungile ke, bye. This comes with this. I hate acid, hence I always have water. But yeah, special. Don't. I got myself a cappuccino because matcha is finished. They don't have. So it's like okay. So guys, let's go because I can actually eat this. I don't have to, oh my god, I don't have to park to eat. I just need the aircon. And then let's start. Oh, I need the aircon just yeah. So yeah, let us go. So Tulula is in there. I'm so hungry. I am so hungry. I'm going so far, so I have to eat. Let me drive, guys. We'll catch up now. Bugani amaphoyisa, guys. Sana. Abe nginamathikithi ke mina ngibolile. Yazi isono ngami. Oma. Awuthi ngeke nokudla. ngaze ngimiselwe kona lokho nje ukuthi uyadla uyadrive uyadla apho ngilambe at least bamisa imoto bazoba busy kancane kamala zelashe isiphofu Anna put we ranger don't do that stick to your lane okay bamisa very good hola sister aswama kahle ngakhe
Beating it up, be a chemist. Spit it like Nas on the illest, man. It's just about little feet around. Wanna be cutting up. Hot as the sauna, I'm burning up. Running in my fight, hurt enough. You know.
Guys, I'm done at storage. I couldn't be shooting and doing. I couldn't. Let me go to my brother's house. So, guys, moving is a lot. To think I still have to come back here. This is why I might come back tomorrow, guys. I don't even wanna lie. I might come back tomorrow. I don't know. But let's continue. Yeah, no. Trying to vlog and do other things and be productive, it just doesn't make sense. Let's go. Uthi uba ngeke angene because ngizofaka guys, round 2. I'm sweating. I don't even want to show my face, but I'm round 2. Guys, I love having a big car. And I swear my next car, I need a Ranger, I need a Raptor, I need a bike. Like getting a bike. I know it would have been, or it would be nice to upgrade to X5 Nyana, you know? But actually no, I already have a big car. Getting a bike, getting a bike. Because I can tell you now, if I had a bike here, let's go, round 2. I feel like I'm gonna be sweating the vlog. So yeah. Uzongenaphi Anathi?
Asikho space lapho ma.
Uzozimove apha ngasemva izinto?
Iziphi malezo?
Dibeke
Kodwa ngingahlala nala emuva.
hayi ngeke uzobulala isipili ngcono ususe izinto.
Khona buka ma. Yabo ukuthi ngisibuka.
Guys, ngicela nibukeni umuntu wesithuthuthi ungitshayisile. Ungitshayise esibukweni. Thank God isibuko sami asifanga. This came off. It fell off and then I went to check because I felt something. He didn't even stop. Ubalekile. Guys, this guy didn't even bother to stop to check if he didn't break my mirror, to apologize, to do anything. He literally ran. Like I literally screamed because I'm like, that is my car. Imoto yami lebethekayo. Xa ndithi sisithuthu, angithi niyazi abantu bebike ukuthi bona bafuna ukuma ngemuva sharp. But lona uyaspeeda and indlela speeda ngayo simile emarobotini, we are waiting for obviously the robot to open. Boom, washaya imirror yami. Okusho ukuthi if ebeyiphulile imirror yami, this guy, I was gonna go pay for the mirror myself, fix my mirror myself. Ubengeke nje asebenzise insurance yakhe to fix my mirror. No, I was gonna fix it myself. With no apology, nothing. He left, but it's fine. No deed goes unpunished. No matter how smart you think you are, great stuff. You did what you did to my car. One day is one day. I believe in karma, very much so. So it's fine. I am so heartbroken. In fact, I'm pissed. I'm so pissed off. Like, why abantu benganabo ubuntu, humanity? You've done someone wrong. You can't hardly stop nje. Ume nje uxoliseke mawubona ukuthi hayi okay, at least imira ayiphukanga, because yes ayiphukanga, and be like, oh sorry ngiyaxolisa, I'm sorry. He can't hardly do that. I know siphila kwelinye ilizwe, hey, umuntu akuchayisa adlula ahambe qhubeke ne-life as if nothing happened. Hey guys, as Axenan, let me go home. I've done a lot for today. So abasichayisayo bashiye kanjalo, we can only leave it to God. Bakwethu. I think abantu, they do bad things to people and then they forget, you know. You think when uhlakaniphile, you go on about your life, and then when bad things happen to you, so ukhohliwe ukuthi uke wachayisa imoto yomuntu wahamba wabaleka, you know. People forget very fast, but it's life. Let me go guys. Traffic ezongibamba, abantu baphumile manje emsebenzini, but at least I'm done. I'm not gonna do anything when I get home. I literally just want to be a couch potato. I'll continue tomorrow. Yeah, no, starting early when you're moving, it's very good. Like, if you need to move, please start early, because this thing you're going to izinto so gijima ngama last minute. No, I'm so happy that I've pushed a lot. Like, I've done so much. You know, I'm just left with things that they are so big, like there's nothing I can do. Zinkulu, angikwazi ukuziqhula by myself. So abantu be-truck ngabo abazozithatha, you know. But all these small little things, I'm just happy that ngiphushile kuzona kakhulu futhi, yabo. Guys, let me drive before I am the one who causes an accident, because I'm yapping. Bye. Guys, I wanna try put this thing and see if I can. If I can't, then my brother will do it. Guys, I can't put this thing. It doesn't look like it broke anyway, right? But ngizothi mina ayiphukanga kanti iphukile. But honestly, because ayifuna ungena. So maybe because of indlela ayibethe ngakhona, because can you guys see the scratches? Honestly, I don't mind the scratches, but ayifuna ungena, and I'm trying to see if khona la iphuke khona ngamandla, hence ingafuni ungena, but ayingeni guys, ayingeni, and ngiyifaka right, but ayifuni ukuhlala like ingene. I don't know what's happening, so I'm just gonna leave it. I'm gonna leave it and try to ask my brother to put it if he can. If he can't, then guys, I'm tired. Lendo ayingeni. I don't know, angazi ungishaye kanjani lo muntu, but ungishaye kanje because ube qhamuka in front of the car. Hence I'm saying I'm grateful that the mirror didn't break, which is the one thing I need, because I use mirrors when I'm driving, and then kwaphuma lento. But now I also can't put this back. But it makes my car ugly, so I'm gonna have to fix it anyway. So hey guys, let me go home, let me go to the house, relax, I'm tired, eat, and I'll figure this thing out some other time because I don't have time for this right now. Like, also I have so many laptops that I'm not using, and I appeal. This one I used to use it at school, at Eunice, when I was doing my degree here teaching. I love this laptop so much, and isaphila sana. I love this laptop so much because yangithwala eUnisa iLenovo yangithwala. Hayi bandla. And ayaphila ke la laptop. But yeah, ugirl ukwa MacBook now. Guys, I don't wanna show my face. I look so ugly, but I'm laughing. I'm packing, right? This is the second suitcase. The other one is full for my clothes. So I'm emptying the wardrobe, and then this is my graduation gown. So, and like the whole shebang, the whole set, guys, and the belt and stuff. So what's funny is that when you're going to graduate, right, you have an option of hiring these things, right? But Mina, I said no, I don't want to hire them because I still want to study. I'm going to do my honors, my masters, my, you know. Guys, when I was done and I got my degree, I was like, actually, no, it's okay. I was like, no, it's okay. Grand education, like, sharp. At least I have a degree and a diploma to show what I guys are. But when my mom said hire these things, I said no. Buying is better, you know, so that next time when I, you know, graduate, I still have a bunch. Nale, you know, obviously the thing that will keep changing, it's the belts, you know, because the second one for masters, I don't know, it's not the same as this. So I used to be that girl who used to think I'll have this different 3 belts, 4 belts, you know, girl. I said, hold on, I'm tired. Oh, guys, let me continue packing and stop yapping. I just wanted to share this story that, you know what, every person onamaphupho, even if akaphumelelanga, but into engiyaziyo akekho umuntu onganamaphupho wakhe. Nami ndandinamaphupho ukuthi nje ndifuna ukufunda bade bandibize ngoDr. Ongezwa Jiyana Ntontoni. Bobizwa ngoDr. Sana ngaqeda i-degree ngaphola umoya ngathi, you know what, actually it's fine. Let's call it a day. Yo, but yeah, love it for me. Guys, education is not nice, eh? It's not nice. Inzima nje. Mina ngigrade. God, hi guys, welcome back to another day of this vlog. Guys, it is a morning. I'm so tired. I woke up tired, like ndale at usual time, 11, 11:30, but I woke up tired. Also, I need to hurry up because this guy said they're gonna be here at 10, the truck guys. Okay, sharp. So he's starting with other people. I was like, I can't sharp, I'm not a morning person, take your time. So guys, I am moving to my brother's place. Those who are wondering where you're going, we're not doing rent this year. we are not doing rent. We are not doing rent. Siphumile nje indaba zokubhatala ama-rent every month, electricity. Okay, obviously I am gonna have to pay electricity there. I'm not a person who can stay in someone's house for free. I'm not that person. You know, I am gonna help out, but I'm saying, guys, guys, rental, if there's one thing I've been praying about, is that God, can I not, if I move out, when actually I move out from my brother's place, let it not be rental. Let it not be rental. Like, I'm so over it. I'm over paying rent. I am over paying rent. Guys, I'm guys, when I was looking for apartments last year, I was looking for something bigger, like the William. The William was bigger, guys. Actually, now I can tell you guys how much I was renting, because I mean, I was paying 9,500. Okay, alone, and then with electricity, let's say 1.5 as well, so that's 11,000, including groceries. Let's say 5,000, because we buy groceries for like 3 point something, and then there are these little top-ups. Okay, let's say 5,000, so I was spending around 15,000, you know, on that place, which was very reasonable. So when I looked for apartments last year, I was looking for something like that. But okay, sharp, I was getting these places. I would check. You obviously type when you are looking, would say ufuni rent from 8,000 ipingadluli 12,000 sharp. And then when I started going to view these places, guys, apartments are so small now. They're so small, they're so tiny. They are so tiny. I'm like, what the hell is happening? What the hell is happening? And apartments ezinkulu, they are usually old style, zindala. It's not new development. Azikho zintsha, zindala nje apartments amadala. The William is very old, hence it's that big. And some of the apartments I was looking, they also fall under balloon properties. But I was like, since when does balloon properties make such small apartments? This guy who was engihambisa athi no, they've always been like this. No, they've not always been like this. I am coming from the William. I don't know whether it's the first apartment that balloon properties built back in the days when they were still getting in the industry, but that apartment is spacious. I'm like, no, puti unamanga. I said, oh, it will be the William. That's when I was like, oh, this one is new. He clearly doesn't know what he's talking about, because I'm telling you that I've been staying in balloon properties and they have big apartments. I said, oh no, maybe it's because they're old ones. So I kept on looking and looking and looking up until I was like, you know what? I'm tired. I'm not getting what I want, because if there's one thing I won't do is to stay in a place that I don't like. It's big, but it's old. I don't want that, you know. So I stopped and I was like, okay, you know what? Let me just continue. It's fine. But guys, finding something that is cheaper and big, it was a mission. It was a mission to get what I want, because I want what I want. So, but anyway. Yeah, we're not paying rent. We're not paying rent this year, 2025, and we've been talking about it, me and my brother. I don't know why I'm whispering, but I think it's because it's in the morning, and in my head, I haven't. Guys, my mind functions very late. I'm not a morning person. I always tell people, don't call me in the morning. Oh yeah, I was saying we've been talking about it, me and my brother, that sizozama ukuhlalisana. Also, it's because he was staying in my house last year here, right, for the whole year, because I was renovating. Those who've been here, they know. So he stayed at my place last year for the whole year, and then I'm going to stay at his for the whole year. And if I have to stay another year and whatever and never rent again, then that's it. But we've been talking about it in the sense that he knows my character, and I think he's worried that mina ngibuye ngibe so but I'm like, no. So he was telling me things that I need to do, because he knows good now I pile up things. He knows that I pile up things, you know. I don't address things that I go, and then when I start addressing them, so he was like, no, but you need to learn to talk and open up. If you don't like something, say it now. Don't keep quiet and then just address something now. I'm like, no, but I'm not that person. He's like, then you need to learn, because we don't like that about you. You know, we don't like this thing of you piling up things. But nonetheless, I'm just saying, we've been communicating on how we're gonna stay together, because remember, it's been 10 years of not staying together now. Besides Badala, he needs his own space, I need my own space. When we were staying together, we were both young. If you've been here and you remember when I said I was staying at Halffontein, we were both young, so we didn't have a problem. But when I moved out, I realized, no, actually saying Mdala, I need my own space. He also started enjoying staying alone, and now we are staying together again. But also, I'm okay with us staying together again, because I feel like we've both matured, we've both grown, we've both worked on our relationship so much, and we understand each other. But there is one thing that they don't like, which is me. I keep quiet, and then when I start talking, I'm literally screaming and I'm shouting. So I need to work on that. That, guys, I don't like 1, 2, 3. Please shower, like, communicate at the same, like right now. When you say now, he said say it now. So we've been talking and talking and talking and talking. So I'm hoping ukuthi sizohlala kahle, but if asihlalisani kahle ngizoyiqoqela into zami, guys, ngiyigodukele yabo nje nginekhaya, or ngiyothenga isite emakhaya ngizakhela umkhukhu somewhere. I'm joking, guys, we're gonna be fine. So yeah, we are moving to my brother's place, and I am so happy, I am so excited, because if there's one thing I'm so over it, is paying rent. Like, miss me. It can miss me until further notice. Like, it can miss me, not even until further notice. If there's one thing I've been praying to God, is that God, can I not move from one rental to another rental to another rental? I've been doing that, and I'm over it. Like, I'm over it. I'm over rental. I'm shop. And it was a blessing in disguise, this thing of me not finding a place last year. When I shared, guys, that there was a time when I went apartment viewing, and I wasn't obviously vlogging that. We don't have to vlog everything. I didn't want to. So I just realized it was a blessing in disguise, not finding a place, you know, because I've never been this excited for not paying rent. I've never been this excited. I think the only thing that is stressing me, not necessarily stressing me, because I told myself, I'm just gonna stay in my bedroom, I'm gonna move, I'm gonna ngizozulela. If I feel like I'll probably go be with my kids, or I'll book myself in a hotel. Like, there's a lot that I can do on my own, right? I have a car, you know, but no, rent, no, we're not doing that. Oh, we're not doing that. Yo, we're not doing that. We're not doing that. Also, I'm glad I came to this place. I'm glad I came to this place. You know why? I would have been so comfortable at the William. They say there's no growth in comfort. There's no growth in comfort. I probably would still be in that apartment, and maybe the businesses that I've started, I wouldn't have started them. Maybe a lot of things wouldn't have happened, because I would have been comfortable, because I was comfortable paying rent there, because it was affordable. So I'm glad I moved in here, because moving here gave me, it came with so many things. I love being a businesswoman. I love selling. I love coming up with ideas of what to sell now. I love the fact that angsenawo amahloni to sell, to start a business, you know, angsenawo amahloni. Like, being in this apartment, it changed me a lot, my character, the way I think, the way I do things, the way I just don't care about what people will say. Like, guys, there's no growth in comfort. There is no growth in comfort. And this apartment, it also made me, to the fact that I am comfortable to say that I'm happy that I'm getting rid of rental. That alone is growth. You know, that alone is growth. That alone is maturity. That alone is, it takes a lot to say, no, enough is enough. No, angeke phela siphilele ukubhadala imali emafletsini. Do you get me? So there's no growth in comfort, and I was very comfortable at the William. Whatever that pushed me to move out of that place, thank you so much. Whatever that pushed me to move out of this place, thank you so much, because I'm a different person. I'm a total different person. I think different. I do things differently now. And all I'm saying that if it breaks the bank, get rid of it. If anything, that after you paying, you know, and you start not enjoying whether it's a car or it's an apartment. If it matters after you pay, clearly don't hold on to it, because we need to pay our bills and still be comfortable, and our bank, it doesn't break the bank, and my bank balance still remains not the same. Obviously you just paid something, but right, uyakwazi ukunyakaza, uyakwazi ukumove, uyakwazi ukwenza lo, uyakwazi ukwenza lo. So for me, I felt like it's breaking the bank, and there's no need. There's absolutely no need. My brother buying that house was a blessing in disguise. Me and my mom hated that house. Oh my God. When we got there, we were like, why did you buy such an old house? This house is so ugly. And my brother was like, this house is for business. I didn't buy. This is not my dream house. This is not my dream house. This house is for business. I am going to turn this is for business. I'm like, oh, I got that. Hey, you need that. Now that the place is renovated, I can move in now. If that place was not renovated, kuba ngipakishe into zami ngibuyele Eastern Cape, because there's no flipping way. I was never gonna stay in that house. But now it looks nice. It looks nice. Love it. Love everything about that house now. Scrumptious. So now I can move in. Now, sengashala. Yeah, no, don't judge me, but no. So it's nice now, so I can stay there. And yeah, so I'm not paying rent. I'm going to stay in my brother's house, you know. I think also, guys, it's actually a blessing to come from a family that we are very supportive of each other, because when he was renovating to his place, he moved all those things and stayed here for a year, and now I'm moving all my things. I'm going to stay with him. If there's anything, I always say to people that if you don't have a relationship with your mom, your dad, your siblings, try and work on it. And if obviously it's unfixable, then it's fine. But there's nothing that beats family, because imagine now if I was in a good space with my brother, I can't stand him. I hate him, you know. And he's my brother. It doesn't make sense, you know. But because we have a good relationship, we obviously fight. I mean, we're siblings. But it's not that bad in a sense that he can't stay with me, I can't stay with him, you know. So try and work your relationship. I always tell my kids, good guys, you have different baby daddies, but you guys have know each other. You guys are brothers. I have 3 boys. You guys, you better nibambane kanje. Ayikho enye into engizonitshela yona, nina niyaba mama oyedwa ubaba oyedwa emakhandeni bambeni kanjalo. So yeah, I don't wanna yap. Let me take out my curtains and buy to paying rent in 2025. We're not paying rent, guys. Let's keep us sishwabene because I've sent everything. But yeah, let's pack and let's continue. We're not packing. I'm done packing. Let's just take out the curtains and then yeah, guys, to not paying rent. Let's pretend as if I'm popping champagne. 2026. Why do I keep on saying 2025? 2026, you're not paying rent. God damn. God, you did that. It takes a lot of maturity to let go of some things. And remember, there's no growth in comfort. So get rid of it. If it gives you sleepless night after paying it, dead. Yeah. But yeah, guys, I'm so tired. Ngiyakhathala. Anathi! 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 Sana, he's taking a bath. Let me close here because you guys are gonna hear he plays music when he's taking a shower and it was so loud. Oh, Sana. This one is lighter. I'm saying that one is not heavy. Guys, I bought this light at Mr. Price's home when I was still at the William. I've never used it. I've never used it. It's so nice. I love it so much, but I've never used it. So, I'm just a girl. I'm just a girl, Sana. Let me switch off. Where's the remote?
See also those two. Also fridge. I don't know, couch also.
The couch is also going, eh?
Yes, there's nothing that is living there.
Okay.
Why are you thinking of taking the couch?
No.
Can you take this to my car?
Yeah?
Can you take this to my car? I don't want it on the truck.
Okay.
Yes, I don't want it on there. It's a blue Hyundai. You'll see it. 2099. I don't want it on the truck.
Yeah,
Yes.
just move this.
Oh, sorry.
Okay.
If she's
Usemotweni, ndimdirectile.
key.
Sipha kuye.
Okay, I'm coming up.
Guys, look at the time. It's 2:15. These people were supposed, well, these are not the people that I hired, right? He was supposed to be here at 10 o'clock in the morning. That's what we agreed on. Guy didn't get here until 11, he said. And then on his way to me, he got a panchar. And I keep texting, why are you not here? He's like, no, the panchar and don. And then I'm sending other people. And these people that just got here right now. I'm just reminded of when I was moving at the William. I had so many issues, so many things went wrong up until I left that place at 9. 9 o'clock, I'm fighting with the securities. I'm not supposed to go out at the William. By 6 o'clock, there's no truck coming in, there's no truck going out. The person I hired got there late, started packing, putting like things in the truck very late. After 9 o'clock, Segmeles Pume at the William but no, you have to sleep here. I'm like, Kanjan, make it make sense. I fought. And this just reminded me of how anything that I do, it never ever, like I hamba smooth. Like by 10 o'clock you hear at 10 we move. And this time around I was like, I know you devil, you like testing me in everything that I do, no matter how small it is. I like to be tested. And I was like, I'm gonna be calm. I'm just gonna go buy food, eat and wait, because at this point, whenever I get like, you know, whenever izinto nje, little things zingehlela, things that don't make sense, things that are just gonna annoy me, irritate me, piss me off, I'm like, oh, you are testing me, it's fine, let's go. Because I was like, I don't have time and energy for this. This guy kept on apologizing and saying, this has never happened, this is literally my first time. I'm like, no, it's fine, I understand. Such things happen, you know. Amatayar is something that there's nothing we can do. Such things happen. But my patience was being tested because I started sending him a long voice note and so guys, when I got into this apartment, if you guys remember what happened when I was supposed to move into this apartment, if you guys remember what happened, staying at my brother's place for a month before I could get in here. Now I'm moving out, still it's a problem. Like, because wow, stress. But anyway, we're moving and yeah, let's continue. Guys, I've decided to put my TV here. I don't want it on the truck. Yeah, because no, we're not doing that. Oh, they helped me put my, it's fine now. So yeah, and then we are getting somewhere, as you guys can see. bayolanda ezinye izinto sifuna ukuphefumula sifane nezinye iy'ngane awutholakali umoya la kuvele kube nzima ngisho ukuthenga into encane kuba nzima but guys, this thing is not strong. It keeps doing this. Guys, we're going to drop the first load. I'm going with them so that I can empty my car as well, and then I'm able to put more things, because yeah, so I'm waiting for them too. My son is with them though, guys. Oh, izinto zakwatemu. Izinto zakwatemu. Oh, this is so annoying. My lips are so dry, but we are going to drop the first load, and everything that is in here is not going to the storage impedate, so it's gonna be 2 loads. Guys, I need to put aircon, so I can't yap, and I want them to go first so I can open the gate. So let's go, guys. I will catch up with you guys now. Yeah. Oh, Sana. I need to. Bye bye. How am I? I'm so tired. To think nala ngiyakhona ngisayopaquza. I'm fed. Moving is a lot. Blessed are people who stay in the village, who build their houses in the village. Abanasikhathi nje so globe be move kanjani njani umuntu uyihlalele emzini akhe. Hayibo siyasokola eGoli. Siyasokola eGoli. Hayi angifuni ukungasho. Like honestly, I need my own house at this point. Which nonsense will holla with this now. Guys, let me stop yapping and ngilandele labantu. My son is there, he will direct them. Ooh, furniture yam. We are here for the last load. We're here for the last load. Oh my god. The time is 4:59. It's 5 o'clock. So yeah, last one. And then we are done. And the things that I'm here to get, they are going to a storage. The ones that yeah, those ones are for a storage. Oh, I bought them a cold drink. They called the bacela a cold drink. I don't even think they're gonna enjoy this coke because ingathi ayikho ayibandi ngale ndlela engicabanga ukuthi bayifuna ngayo bona. Hey, but I bought it anyway. Guys, let's continue. Let us continue. I'm gonna need the house keys. I need to do a handover of the keys tomorrow. Yeah.
You need to unlock your iPhone first.
For what
There's
now?
nothing scheduled tomorrow.
My biggest fear, guys, please, I'm begging you with all my life. Yo, guys, please, don't be fast, take your time.
Say
Coming from that pretty mouth, the truth is fitting. Cause you ain't never talking loud and you know plenty. You know what I'm talking about, cause you